Hey there, egg beaters, milk frothers, as promised. I'm back here at the cow track hill climb. It's actually looking to me like a bike track now. And I'm going down this, the one I didn't want to go down last time. So I reckon this is a bike track. Yeah, for sure, and it comes out onto a main track here, so cool. Just want to see. Oh, it keeps going down there, eh? Just want to see if I can get back up that without too much trouble. Pretty much spinning all the way up, but for those playing along at home, you may be thinking, oh, at least he's put the new tyre on. Wrong. Still running the Baldy. Could not be bothered changing it yet. I will after this ride though, guaranteed. Yeah, I've got the new tyre to put on. Here's a close-up picture of the tread. If anyone can guess what tyre it is, chuck a comment down below. Give me your best guess. Yeah, also a big shout out to Matt K Moto for the 25 bucks super thanks on my last video. He's like, buy yourself some new gloves with fingers. These ones are actually a Christmas gift from my lovely Misso, and actually one of many relevant gifts that she got me, including this jersey. So I do have another new jersey. Thank you, baby. Anyway, yeah, I'm running these gloves currently without cutting the fingers off in Matt's honour. I thought I'd give it one more go. I'm nothing if not open-minded. I like to think so anyway. But I got to say, once you've tried wearing gloves without fingers, you're probably never going to go back. It's like going black. And there are so many reasons for that, not the least of which is being able to take your helmet off easily without taking your gloves off. If I've got fingerless gloves, I can pretty much go all day without taking them off. Everything from taking your helmet off to operating your camera more easily, to using your phone to navigate or pay for fuel or whatever. I mean, I know a lot of these gloves have, you know, touch sensitive fingertips in them, but it's just not the same like having that dexterity of your fingers available to you. Trust me, try it. Anyway guys, it wasn't just laziness which prevented me from changing that back tyre. I actually was curious to come out and have another crack at Mount Gentiloni, that same hill that I couldn't get up last time in the wet with this ball tyre. Just see if this thing will do it in the dry. It's meant to be 37 degrees Celsius today, so I'm definitely going to be finding a nice swimming spot and cooling off. I've brought myself a cup of coffee and a thermos, a few bickies. It'll be mint little break in the middle of my ride. Also a quick shout out to Chris Archer. Thanks for the little donation, the Christmas donation, mate. Definitely used that to chuck a bit of fuel in the 690 today. Legend. All right, let's go. Here we go. The dry makes such a difference. Sit down and track her up it pretty much. Grip for days. There you go. And they're blaming the freaking tyre, really it was just the wetness. I think even like knobby tyres on that greasy clay, you've got even less rubber contacting a hard surface, so I don't know if knobs on hard clay really make that much difference. At least with the ball tyre you've got more rubber touching the ground, but I mean when it's like grease, yeah, you're never going to get anywhere. Well, that's that one checked off. The other one that I got stuck on, the rocky one, that comes up here. Watch out for Joe Blake's in the grass. Can't really see much of the view out there, but we are up pretty high here. It's pretty cool. Let's see how I go using the phone with these gloves on. So using the phone ain't too bad. But yeah, that's the one I came up. This is the rocky one. Yeah, she's a challenge. Ow! She's a challenge, that's for sure. But if I could do it back in my green days on a WR250R, surely I can do it now on the mighty 690. I reckon this is about where I got up to last time. Oh shit, another advantage I had back then was 2020 eyesight. Not now. Turn around down here. So yeah, better eyesight and also probably a fair bit fitter 10 years ago. Anyway, I've got faith in the 690. Alright, no point fucking around. As a great man, Mike Tyson once said, let's do it. Fuck these gloves. A little bit of paddling. Oh, it's heaps more grip. I'm glad I opted for first gear though. I'm up on the pegs again. It's definitely not a second gear hill, this one. Not for me anyway. Oh well, we're up anyway. No problemo. I mean, look, I could do it better than that if I was a little bit fitter. Stay up on the pegs and keep that momentum going a bit better. I'm definitely out of practice with this enduro sort of riding. Anyway, we're going back down the one I came up. I'll chuck her in angel gear and roll it down, I guess. I wouldn't mind having another crack at this hill. Just race up this again. It was really fun, man. Nothing like a freaking steep hill that's not too ruddy. Like, I'm talking steep with lots of grip. Yeah, you can just really get on it, eh? And it's, I don't know, if you know, you know, that feeling of charging up a hill on a motorcycle. It's good fun, man. Don't know why. I don't care to look too deeply into it, but it's good. Alright, let's do it. Second gear all the way. On it. Whoa. Bloody foliage. Don't really know what's next. That's I've accomplished everything I came out here to do, and it's not even 10 o'clock yet. Yeah, we'll go find a spot to have a dip. Yeah, we'll do that. That's the plan for now, and we'll see how we feel. But yeah, that was the other main thing I wanted to do today, because it's going to be so hot and the rain's coming back tomorrow. I wanted to get out for a swim today, just a bit of a splash around in a creek somewhere. You love the water. But yeah, very happy with today's efforts so far. Smashed everything. Yeah, old 690. Didn't even barely broke a sweat. Oh, turns into a single. Sweet. view out there. Gorgeous day. Oh, hey. Doesn't actually look like, oh shit, doesn't look like this track's been used in a while. Bouncing off trees with the handlebars ain't fun. Alright, not far away from the creek now anyway. Big old catfish in there. 2 catties now. Having a play, or maybe they're mating. This is totally my jam these days, guys. This is my happy place. The nature, the wildlife, the water, the fucking serenity. Right, let's get in that water. I think it's going to be cold. Best off just jumping in. Alright, we'll go for a little wander up here. I'll show you guys just how nice this spot is. This water's like, suck my gut in. It's almost up to my armpits here. Getting deep here. Magical is that. Yeah, after all this rain we've had, you could pull up to any little spot of any of these little creeks and find a beautiful little swimming hole like this. Righto, fat man's having his biscuits and coffee. Shut up. Wood. Cheers. Just for those wondering, estuarine crocodiles do not inhabit this area. Not yet anyway. So I hope all you guys had a good Christmas and don't get too radical on New Year's Eve. Here's a nice fly. You son of a bitch. These fucking things. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do an underwater time lapse. Never done an underwater time lapse before. I'll do it like right next to this catfish nest. I assume that's their nest there. It's going to be a challenge getting up here, I reckon. There's some steep bits. Come on, Tana. I hope it was steeper than this, because there's nothing. even a challenge. Sitting down, just tractoring up this shit. There we go. In the rut. Yeah, real challenge, mate. Real challenge. Oh. Shit! Fucking hell, there's erosion mounds. I've got deadly little kickers. I fucking love this bike. A lot of people give the 690 shit for not being a real enduro bike, but man, for a bike that's this low maintenance, you can just jump on at home, fucking forget about the trailer, jump on it from home, ride it out to the tracks, change the oil every 5 to 10,000 Ks, whatever tickles your fancy. It takes some beating, I tell you. I ain't like, yeah, it's 150, 160 kilos, but that's better than 200 when you get into shit like this. That was a dog's breakfast. Oh, they're down there too. I wonder what mad bastard's putting freaking singles in over here. Right there. Looks a bit freaking tight, man. See if I can spot where it comes out down this end. That'd be it there, surely. Bad buggers. Well, I don't mind having a look at it from this side. So I know I can get out. I would have taken a bit of bush bash and put this one in. Oh, that's it. Was it the same one? This isn't even the same one. What the fuck, bros? Oh well. Sneaky little bloody tracks everywhere. Oh, hey. Anyway, that's cool. I love finding little single tracks like that. Right, we're up at the old quarry here. It's got a supporter shout out to do. I'm going to cut it back to 1 now because I'm nearly running out. I've almost caught up with all my supporters, so I'll be going back to the start again to start the shout outs from the beginning again soon. But I'm just going to go back to 1 for now. So you get a special shout out this time. Juddy, it's Juddy again. Juddy is actually my Patreon twice. He signed up ages ago under his real name, Juddy, and then recently signed up again under Kwakasaki. That's his YouTube channel, guys. Good on you, Juddy. You're a friggin' legend, man. Double the support. What a mad dog. Love you, mate. And guys, please go check out his channel. I'll put a link up in the corner here somewhere and in the description. Juddy's an aspiring YouTuber. He's doing some cool content, man. He's got all the camera gear now. He's got a drone. He's got a 360 camera. He's got the works. And I would know he'd really love it if you went and subscribed to his channel. So good on you, Juddy. Thanks, man. Thanks to all my Patreons. And I think I'm going to wrap this video up here, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do get a bit of entertainment out of these videos, maybe consider becoming a Patreon yourself. There's a link down in the description. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to find a rock here to say goodbye to this tyre on. Oh yeah, the rock's fucked that. Righto, scratch you later, mad dogs. Cellar door. Cellar door. Apparently this is the most beautiful phrase in the English language. I think I heard that in a movie somewhere. It's probably bullshit. But anyway, I'm not really interested in cellar doors today. What I am interested in is my camera door. When I got home yesterday, I noticed that the little USB door flap thing on my Insta360 Ace Pro, this one here that I keep on the handlebars, little door was gone, which is a bit of a pain in the butt because it's not waterproof without that. Now normally these things don't just fall off by themselves. What actually happened was I had the camera charging, so I had the door open, the USB plug in it, charging off the bike as I was on my way home yesterday through some of these little single tracks and stuff, and by the time I got home it was gone. So what I actually did, this never usually works, but what I did was went through my footage, my helmet camera footage. I skipped through, and as you can see here, you can see that door there is flapping around. Now they don't actually break off, they are removable, so they're not firmly held in place when they're flapping around like that. I skipped forward through the footage and then all of a sudden it was gone. So what I did was then obviously went through slowly, went through the footage till I found the spot where it knocked off. And it was just a small stick of lantana, as you can see here, just a small stick, knocked it off. Didn't bother the USB cord, but I know exactly where that spot is. It's now the next morning. I'm back here to have a look for it. It's only like half an hour for me to get here from home, so I thought it was worth coming to have a look. Nice little cruisy ride out here early in the morning. Now I'm pretty sure the spot where it came off is just down here or either just up that one. I will know the spot when I see it, but yeah, we'll just go and have a bit of a looky up here. Wonder how many of you guys hang around for this bonus time footage. Anyway, this is the little pinch here that you can see in the footage. I was coming from that way, going back that way. So, I would say, I'll get fucked. There it is right there. But I definitely wasn't expecting it to be that fucking easy. But I knew that this was the spot. This is the lantana here that knocked it off. Probably that poofter there, or that one. There you go, right in the middle of the track. Cool. Yeah, I'll be honest, I was expecting to be sifting through the grass here for 45 minutes and then be going home empty-handed, but to find it right in the middle of the track, that's awesome. Well, there you go. See, sometimes it pays to go and have a look for shit you might have lost. All right, guys, that's the end of this video, properly this time. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.